Tout était à Awilo. Tout était à Awilo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Eh. Oh, oh, yeah. Tout était à Awilo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Awilo. Tout était à Awilo. Beta ato. Tout était à Awilo. Beta ato. Tout était à Awilo. Oh, yeah, beta ato. Tout était à Awilo. Beta ato. You know that I'm
It is your boy again, Dorothy Awilo. Today, I want to prank somebody. Hey, I cannot wait. I want to prank somebody. I want to put smile on somebody's face. I just want someone to be happy. You understand? I want to open somebody's heart. You understand? So I called my makeup artist. She came. She dressed me like mad person. Me and my crew members, we can't the G's, we can't the take picture, we can't go market. Everybody leave me. We set up our camera. Everybody leave me. I enter into the market as a mad person. Start begging people. Oh my goodness. And people start to run for me. When you see me like this, you run. If you can see inside the picture, like it's me standing there begging. You understand? I be begging. People give me space. People try to hit me. People try to throw stone at me. There's one this particular mama there. I'm trying to assist the mama. Like if mama can just give me 15 naira, or if mama can just provide the food for me, so I'll just surprise this mama. I just put smile on her face. Mama was carrying one big rock, try to hit me, try to call attention of people to pursue me out front of to pursue me out of front of her shop. And as people start to scream, more crowd, the attention of people towards me, there's a more crowd gather around me. I was like, Jesus, what's going to happen? I'm starting crying, shouting, begging people. It getting to the point I need to cry and real tears coming up. Like I'm using drug. I just use drug. Somebody should assist me. Nobody. I'll be begging people. People are around. People give me space. People want to dey closer to me, but they want to look. And there's a one old woman there. He used bucket of water and pour me in the water. Oh my god. And my mind was like, I don't think Awilo is here. I'm not a mad person. I just want to prank somebody. I just want to put smile on somebody's face. I was walking around the market, crying for help. Somebody should help me, somebody to assist me. Nobody. I was moving, and see the painful part, I cannot see my crew members. It's only me because everybody hides. It's a prank. We don't want anybody to know that we're on camera. The cameraman was very hard. You can see that the cameraman is finding it very difficult to catch me. You understand? You can see me inside the camera moving very far, praise it, because we don't want anybody to know that we're on camera. Oh boy, it's stressful day. It's an experience that I cannot say finish. Mad. So getting to the point, it's like pram now is going to it sounds like reality. You understand? Getting to the point, I'm starting feeling taste. I say, please, somebody should help me with water. Somebody should help me with water. Somebody should help me with. There's a one lady is selling mineral. Then I like, please, can you please assist me with this? He said, no. And that lady has a big mineral. I know the amount that I carry can cover that mineral. I know that My mind, if you should just give me one mineral, I'm not going to drink the mineral. I'll review myself that I'm not a mad person and give her the money that I. But she say no. She don't want to give me. She don't want to give me. Then when I start shouting, cry, say why people behave like this. I'm just a mad person, but I am hungry. Assist me. It draw attention of the people. People gather. Oh boy, it's an experience that I cannot explain. So, getting to the one place, a guy I now beg the guy, and this guy here was like, "Okay, let me get you a bread." The guy now took him money. He bought me the bread, and I said, "No, correct the bread for me, correct the bread." And then I need to review myself that I am not a mad person. You can see what is happening. Then people now gather. You see the crowd. You see the crowd. See, let me tell you something. When you see someone beg, assist them. Assist them. Share the.
Come out, when I see the camera. This camera, I know they hungry. Director, hey, when I come, my people, when I come, I know they mad. I know they mad. I not go ever mad. I they hungry. That mama there, you use me to pursue me. You hit me. I not be mad person. You not go mad. I not go ever mad. I not go that do that mad person. You hit me. Just I beg you to buy food for me at your age. You hit me. Just I dey beg you. I hope we have been said in camera. Where the mic? Where the mic? I better see the mic back. Check her. If it don't work, man, I change the mic. The life is not the way we choose. Let's all be on point. Are we good? Yeah, we're good. Just you see person get wood for hand, he dey beg. Not be everybody is a condition. You understand? Some people hit by car. Some people then rob them for road, then injure them. I was begging that I need to take drugs. Mama hit me. And there's a one woman there, he pour me water. Just because I know they mad, I know be mad person. Come on, be mad. Come on, be mad. See, I don't be mad person, no. There's a one girl there. Where the girl? There's another other person where that thing. There's a one person that is post. Give me one post. You know, you know, whether it's that post to make you sustain to live, you don't know. The girls are the beg, the girls are the smell. I wear dirty clothes, everybody wrong. Life is not like that. Show love. Show love. Be your brother keeper. I dey beg, I dey cry. Say I use drug. May I give me boss, may I eat to survive. Come, come. See, I don't know you, you don't know me. But you support me. You buy bread for me. Yeah. This bread, you they sell bread at the beg. But see, you never say, I don't know. But they say, I will use my money to give you to go and buy the bread. You say, he go use the money, buy the bread for me. I won't give a condition. May he buy the bread, he give to me. You know me before, it's not a prank. But good people seen there this life. I don't get too much to say, but at least be good to people. You understand? Kindness is very important. And if it's that bread that I need to survive, it saved my life. How much I get to save my life is only it save my life. Money cannot save. I just need only bread. Nobody. Nobody. Everybody they run. Hey David, bring that money. I don't get anything, but small thing when I get, I go to support you. That's no money I get to you. No. Are you not support me? No. Take. You need to take. It's nothing. It's nothing. You need to take. 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 I'll support your business. Give on my card. Give on my card. So thank you. I welcome. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And thank you. Anywhere they try to spread this love out. Very important. This is my card. You can watch your video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.